How to use products in high level. Hey there, my name is Kerry Knoll. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do this by answering the following 3 questions for you. Question number 1, how to integrate Stripe in high level. Question 2, how to create a product in high level. And question 3, how to add a product to a sales page in high level. So we're going to hop out of here and into my demo account inside of high level. And you may or may not end up here on the launch pad, but this is our starting point. So first thing we want to do is go to payments. Then we want to go to integrations. And then after we go to integrations, if you are not connected to Stripe already, it's going to show Stripe down here and say connect. But we can click on manage, and from here we can disconnect if we wanted to. However, if it said connect, then you would click another button here to connect, and it would take you to Stripe and connect you. You decide which of your Stripe accounts to, if you have more than one, to connect to. If you only have one, you'll only see one. If you're not logged in, it'll prompt you to log into Stripe first. Once you've clicked on the account, it'll bring you back here basically to this page showing that Stripe is live, and there's also test mode. So once you've done that, then you go over here to products, click on products, and from here you're going to click on the blue create product. And essentially once you do that, it's going to look a lot like this, where you're going to give it a name, perhaps give it a description, and then down here you will give it at least one price point initially, and you can add additional prices if you want, like I have on this particular product, and then you'll just click save either at the bottom or over here. And then once you have your product saved, you'll go back, you can click into sites. From sites, you can either add the product to a funnel page, sales page, or a website page, or a stores page, wherever you want to add that product. In this case, we're going to add it to a sales page funnel. So we have a sales page here, funnel, that we're going to open up. And then on the sales page itself, we'll click over to products. And we've already have it added here. So what we can do is we can click and edit, and from there you could select a different product if you have multiple products. If you have multiple price points, you can change the price point, and you can give it a different product name. You can override that, and you can also override the price display. And under additional options, you can make this a bump product instead of the main product if you also would like to do that. In order to add another product or to add the product originally, click the blue plus add product button, and then you just select your product, select your price point, and then this would be also, again, totally up to you. You can change it if you want. You can add different price override, and you click save. And now you'll have a second product listed. In fact, this is the same product with a second price point. And that is how you can use products in high level. As always, appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching these videos. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a question below this video in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines AI, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for high level itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high level. You will also receive the high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with high level. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if high level is not right for you or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or high level insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my high level link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try high level now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for high level where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with high level, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of high level on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of High Level Starter Agency Plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of High Level Pro SaaS Plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have High Level through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the High Level Agency Plan from the Starter Plan. Let's say you're on the Starter Plan and you want to move up to the Agency Plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including High Level Insiders. You can also upgrade to the High Level Pro SaaS Plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the High Level Annual Plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the White Label Pro SaaS Plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says Upgrade to High Level Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then, of course, you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the High Level Pro SaaS Plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on Start a Free Trial of the Pro SaaS Plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my High Level bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with High Level inside of High Level Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.